On this episode of Super Wild Animal Fun Time, we journey out to locate the elusive mojo. Mojo, or Necus faticus, is a mammoth creature who spends his time barking at things that aren't there. I, Nigel Piggly Wiggly, and my research partner Spot of T. Sinclair have spent months tracking the moj, and we finally found him.
We see the moj here, eating what appears to be a jellyfish bone. Clearly he has slain it. Jellyfish are the prey of choice for the moj, but when the oceans are empty, the mojo resorts to bananas as his only source of nutrition.
The mojo's natural predator, the hairdryer, is on the lookout for a tasty mo. We have placed a camera on the hairdryer's wings, and we can see it taunting the mo and calling him fat. The mo runs away like a little sissy. We have followed the mo out here to this open savanna, and I don't think he sees us. He doesn't see us quite yet. Oh God, he's coming close. He's coming close. Oh God. Oh, don't look back. No.
I just got run up the tree by the almighty moj. I'm lucky to have made it out alive. I can't say the same for Nigel.